0.375 divided by 0.1. Okay, look here, divisor is 0.1 or denominator is 0.1. If you have a divisor denominator 0.1, 0.01 or 0.001, these are power of 10, right? These are power of 10 but less than 1. 10, 100, 1000, these are also power of 10 but greater than 1. In case of power of 10 which are less than 1, to divide, just count the number of decimal places. Here 1 decimal places. So decimal point will move here 1 decimal place from left to right. So here, so we are getting 0, 3 decimal 75. This 0 don't have any value, so 3.75 is your answer.